Hey champs, today we are going to learn PHP function. This is the 14th function in our 100 function series. Now let's start. Text, hello words. Now position strpos. So the first parameter is our paragraph and the second parameter is word. You can choose any word here. Now this will be written. This is start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the W is in 6 position. So this will return echo position this output 6. Now we can check in browser. Output is 6. So sometimes we need this function to check our syntax or words in available in paragraph or not. So if the position is false, word not found, else word found at position number. So friends, if the word is not found in our paragraph, this will return false. So for example, word is available here. So we can have word found in at position 6. And now if we choose A, because A is not available in anywhere in our paragraph. So this will return false, word not found. And you can choose anything is here. For example, this also is not available, word not found. If you think this video is useful, so please like, subscribe, comments, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much for watching.